Well, it's time to head back to Eamon. He's on the performance stage because we have those finished cakes and we need to know who won. Eamon?
All right, Jenna, this is Top Chef Notre Dame Day version because we are in the final seconds. You talk about some serious pressure. They're putting the final touches on their cake as we are under a minute to go. We see some great interlocking NDs, another football field there. So, real quickly here as the clock's running, what was your attempt, what you're looking for here?
Yeah, so we wanted to make the Notre Dame field with a bunch of stands and fans in the stadium and then just little decorations on the side.
All right, we got a lot of gold and green here. Attempted shamrock, I think. There's what do we got here?
Yeah, we just wanted to make it super fun.
That's my bad. That's a very good-looking shamrock.
Just senior themed. Go Notre Dame, yeah.
All right. And now we got here. I mentioned the Golden Dome, didn't I, Chef Sai? What do we got here?
So we just have different emblems of Notre Dame that reminds us of what makes Notre Dame amazing. So first off, we have the dome itself, and then we have a pot of gold because St. Paddy's Day, go Irish. And then we have ND itself, and then rings because you make wedding cakes. So.
All right. I interrupted, but we're into the final seconds, and that is it. The time is up now. Chef Sai gets to take center stage here, and Chef, let's take a look around and see. Now, again, this is decoration only. I get to judge on the taste, but that'll be after. Chef Sai here is going to judge the decoration, so let's go around and take a look first with the Golden Dome.
Okay, Team 1 over here did a very good job. I like the dome, and the pot of gold is really cute, and good job on the ND overall.
All right.
Okay, Giant Shamrock, class of 24. I love it. Good job.
This is going to be tough. I don't know. Tough decision here for Chef Sai, and now we got the gridiron.
And you got the football field here with a bunch of little beer mugs. Okay. I see ya.
The Notre Dame Stadium we would all like to have. No, I didn't say that out loud with a microphone, did I? All right, Chef, the time has come. It's the final countdown. You're going to have to pick one of these 3 great cakes.
Okay, Eamon, this is really hard, but I'm going to go with Team 3 over here.
All right. So, Team 3, do we get to taste your cake, or do you want to save this?
You can have some.
All right, Chef Sai, will you do the honors as we go to break here? I cannot wait to taste this cake. Ladies and gentlemen, tremendous job. All 3 look great, and I think Chef Sai is going to get requested one of these at her next wedding. But we're going to take a very short break, but when we come back, we'll be joined by Luhona Kabaye, a very special Notre Dame undergraduate student. Keep it right here for more Notre Dame Day.